Welcome to my channel, StorioHub. Today, we're diving into an epic tale of curiosity, science, and discovery, the story of the atom. Ever wondered how we came to understand the very building blocks of everything around us? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of who discovered the atom. The story begins in ancient Greece, around 400 BCE. A philosopher named Democritus had a wild idea. He believed that if you kept breaking something into smaller and smaller pieces, you'd eventually reach a point where it couldn't be divided anymore. He called this indivisible piece of matter the atomos, meaning uncuttable in Greek. But Democritus had no tools to prove this idea. It was pure imagination. For centuries, his theory lay dormant, buried under other philosophies like Aristotle's belief that matter was made of earth, fire, water, and air. Now, let's jump nearly 2,000 years to John Dalton, an English scientist in the early 19th century. Dalton was studying gases when he realized something revolutionary. All matter is made of tiny, indivisible particles. Dalton's atomic theory, published in 1803, proposed that all matter is made of atoms. Atoms of the same element are identical. Atoms combine to form compounds. This was the first step toward proving Democritus's ancient idea. In 1897, J. Thomson took things further. Using a device called a cathode ray tube, he discovered that atoms weren't solid and indivisible. They had smaller parts. He found electrons, tiny negatively charged particles, and proposed the plum pudding model, where electrons floated in a positive soup. But the story didn't stop there. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford conducted the famous gold foil experiment, where he shot particles at a thin sheet of gold. To his surprise, most particles passed through, but some bounced back. This led him to discover the nucleus, a dense core at the center of the atom. Rutherford's model showed that atoms are mostly empty space, with electrons orbiting a central nucleus. Then came Niels Bohr, who refined the model in 1913. He proposed that electrons move in fixed orbits, like planets around the Sun. Finally, in the 20th century, quantum mechanics emerged, led by scientists like Erwin Schrödinger and Werner Heisenberg, showing that electrons don't move in fixed paths but exist in clouds of probability. And there you have it. From Democritus's imagination to the complex quantum models of today, the story of the atom is one of human curiosity and persistence. The atom may be tiny, but its discovery has shaped everything we know about the universe. Who knows what secrets it might still hold? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StorioHub for more fascinating tales. See you in the next episode.